Hey kids, how are ya? Thought I'd take you on my first ride outside this year. We're riding Derby, and we're just gonna ride for a little while around the fields and just take a nice, easy, quiet, enjoyable ride. So hang on, here we go. This is the farm where I live. Because of quarantine, I can't haul my horse out to ride anywhere. So thank goodness I have a little bit of room here to ride. Darby's doing pretty good for her first ride outside this year. There's a creek that we're riding along beside. So far I've seen birds and rabbits. I don't know if you can hear my other horse. She's calling. She's in the pasture. She doesn't like it when I pull Darby out and ride. That's my husband up there, the guy in the green shirt. He's picking up rocks. We tore up a big slab of concrete and there were tons of rocks under it. I'm gonna go help him as soon as I finish this ride. We had some wind and it's blown down some dead trees. We have to make sure there's no trees on the fence. That's an electric fence. If you touch it, you get a pretty good shock, but it keeps the horses in. That one's not touching the fence. And there's my other horse, Philly. She's a quarter horse. I chase cows on her, and I've done mounted shooting on her, obstacle challenges, done a lot of stuff with her. Right now we're going to ride along beside her. She's sweating because she's been running and calling.
1 mile, 27 minutes elapsed.
Uh-oh, I have a riding program going as I'm riding. Well, I'm videoing this, and that just said Darby and I have done a mile. There's the creek. Got a bunch of deadfall to clean up this summer. This tree's been down for a couple of years. We'll pull it all away from the fence and probably start a big bonfire. There's the neighbor's cornfield. I ride out there sometimes until he puts crops in. Oh, and there's Philly. She's just calling and wanting to be with her buddy. That's my big red barn. And there's my house. We have a couple of cows. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video and put you guys in my pocket. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you all real soon.